Hello and welcome to the new Refrion app. As you can see, the app is divided into three main sections, to which you can access by clicking on the respective icon located at the bottom of your screen. In the first one, you can find corporate and institutional information with dedicated info on the company's main products like liquid coolers and air-cooled condensers, and specific information on the sales organization of the company with the direct contact of each sales manager. Additionally, you have an overview of Refrion's main technologies, like its exclusive oval tube technology and its wide range of adiabatic systems, with detailed explanation and information about each one and their main benefits. And finally, in this section, you can read and download our product leaflets, be always informed about our latest news and events, and know more about RCC, Refrion Climatic Chamber, the largest laboratory for the testing of the dry coolers in Europe. The second section is the one called Tools, where you can have access to some useful instruments like unit converters, psychometric diagram, where you can type in the dry bulb temperature, the relative humidity, and the type of adiabatic system you are interested in, and see the differences of adiabatic saturation between one system and the other. The third and most interesting section of the app is about service. By logging in using your personal credentials, you will have access to a variety of services which you can inquire directly to the Refrion service department. For example, you can request technical assistance during a startup, or you can send an inquiry for spare parts by indicating the specific order number, the type of spare part you are looking for, quantity, and sending the inquiry. In addition, you can download a lot of useful information like manuals, drawings, and wiring diagrams.